without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on going back to you.
Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another hair video. As you guys can see, I am working with Klaiyi hair. In my packaging, I got their hair clips, a band for the lace, and inside of this little bag I got an HD wig cap, another band for the lace, and also some mink lashes, okay? And then of course we have our unit here, which I am about to get started and apply. But first, I just want to show you guys the hair right out of the boxing. And when I say I was very impressed with the texture, this is a Yaki textured hair. And I was just so impressed on how realistic it looks. This reminds me if I was to get my real hair pressed. And it was just, oh my God, like the density is perfect. Everything was just good quality. This is 180 density. Bye Bye Knots 7x5 wear and go wig. This is, like I said, Yaki texture, and this does come pre-plucked and pre-bleached, as you guys can see. So the lace is definitely giving scalp. I was just really impressed at the quality all around. You do get combs on the side and you get combs in the back of the unit. And then you also get this band here. This is a wear and go. So this band makes it comfortable to wear, and it makes it easier for the wig to lay down and snug. So you can adjust it as for your liking. You can make it loose or tighter as you may. You can basically make sure that it is adjusted for your head shape. And then I took out my hot combs just to make sure that I press everything in its place. Like I was telling you guys, this is a 7x5, so it does leave room on the end at the very end of your sideburns. I kind of like that specifically for this wig because of its hair texture. It looks like my hair texture. It mimics it very, very well. So I felt like the sideburns gives it more of a realistic look. Look how it matches with my hair texture. Like, it looks like it's coming from my scalp. Plus the lace is great quality. Like, it's giving HD quality, so it just tops it even more. So as you guys can see, I am pressing and molding everything in its place. I decided to do a deep side part with this unit. You could do a middle part. It does come in a middle part already for you right out of the box, like I was showing you guys. I love the density on this unit. This is 180 density and it is 24 inches long. So now that I see that everything is good, I went ahead and grabbed my ebony glue, and I only did one layer of this because I felt like this is an easy wig to install. You don't have to do too much. You can use an adhesive spray if you don't want to use any type of harsh glues, because as you guys can see, the wig did lay down perfect without any glue. It did lay down really smoothly. So yeah, I just want to show you guys what the hair and how the wig basically looks like without the glue first. And now here we are applying the baby hairs. So I did do a little baby hairs on the side, and you guys are going to see me finishing to style the unit. This wig, I would say, is definitely a easy application. It was not hard to put on. It's very snug ear to ear as well. I don't have anything really bad to say about this unit. I love the texture. I love that it looks like my hair texture. Like, it just looks natural and all. I am using the ebony adhesive spray on top just to make sure that everything is laid down in its place. And then you guys are going to see me use my silk scarf just to melt everything and hold everything down. You can use the band that Klaiyi gives you. I do recommend it, but I just use my scarf. So as you guys can see, the quality is amazing. I love that it came pre-plucked for me. And I end up using a little bit of this oil here on top of the unit and all throughout the hair, just giving the hair a little bit more shine. But like I said, this hair is super soft to its touch. Like the density of it, it's not too thick and it's not thin at all. It's like really perfect, and it's not that steel type of Yaki texture hair, so it does move with you. It does have a little bit body to it. So yes, I love it all the way around, and it does great with heat. I would love to see what this hair does curled. I do feel like this hair would do really, really curled. But all around it is a very versatile type of wig. And if you like that natural textured look, yeah, this is it for you, girl. Okay, I love it. Let me know what you baby dolls think about this hair. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know down below, and I'll get back to you, baby dolls. Until then, I love y'all, and I'll see you, baby dolls, in my next video. Mwah.
don't know why you're treating me so bad.